Sergeant Martin Blythe. The VC-10 is, as we said, due for retirement from service in 2013, but it remains very much on the front line, currently serving on deployment with 902 Expeditionary Air Wing in Afghanistan, refuelling coalition air assets and supporting the Typhoons stationed in the Falklands. Of the remaining C-130K models and the newer Js has been involved in continual overseas taskings for the last 20 years. Today, a Hercules detachment is maintained at Kandahar, moving equipment and personnel around Afghanistan behind that. Third up, the Lockheed captain today by Squadron Leader Steve Pollard, joined by co-pilot Flight Lieutenant Jace Corbin, Flight Engineer Flight Sergeant Neil Charlton, and Air Load Master Flight Sergeant Neil Gibson. A newer workhorse of the RAF's air mobility is now the Boeing C-17 aircraft. C-17 forces expanded and proved an outstanding asset. The crew today is headed by aircraft captain Flight Lieutenant Chris Knight, with co-pilot Squadron Leader Ned Wood and Air Load Master Paul Harris. And bringing up the rear of the main section, the future of the RAF tanker transport fleet, the Airbus Voyager AC-1, based upon the A330 10 squadron, from which comes the aircraft captain, Flight Lieutenant Reg Armianu, joined today by co-pilot Flight Lieutenant James Davies and mission systems operator Flight Lieutenant Steve Stansford. 14 of these aircraft are being provided to the RAF under a contract with the Air Tanker Consortium. And finally, the aircraft named at react on Friday, the Airbus